Welcome everybody to a brand new video. Greenville has a new update. Yeah, Greenville has a new update. Yeah. So just chilling here at the car meet. It's my cop car that I just bought. And yeah, it's new. I guess they remodeled it. So yeah, people have some brand new BMWs, but they can't take the cars. So yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, there's some other new cars. It's like the Halloween update. So yeah, I got another police car. I'm gonna take it out right now. Yeah, I got this cop car right here. Really cool. I like to love it. Oh! I just did that for, I just did that for if I can use the mic or not. So yeah, I like to love it. So yeah, it kind of looks the same, but not really, because all the lights. And I don't know what's different about it. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's yeah. I think it is better. This one out. And here's the sirens for this. That's one. That's two. I don't know what's different about the sound, so I don't know I'm doing that. But yeah. There we go. I can't ever buy all the cars because I know I'm too many for them, so yeah. This is the remodel cop car. I could complete the this because it was too hard. So let me know how you guys completed that, cause yeah, here's like some brand new cars over here too. Like I'm saying, the brand new BMW, and some more electric cars. So yeah, there's that. What did I do that? What did I do that? I did what? So it's just on these three that got, remodel or something like that. Yeah, there's that. Let me get my car now. I can get my car. doing that for no reason. Alright guys, I don't think I can hear me. I need to just turn down this audio. Is that good, guys? Is that good? I can hear me better. Well guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye guys. I was gonna say my old YouTube channel name, but yeah, Bacon is out. Peace.